there is no solution with this sort of attitude. Some people say, where is the Congress, where is the BJP? Believe me, nobody from Delhi will come to save you. You have to first save yourself. Sitting in Manipur, if you expect people from New Delhi or from Bombay or from Bangalore to come and save you, you are living in a fool's paradise. What is our population? 35 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 14 lakhs, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Arunachal, Mizoram, Manipur. What's our population? It's smaller than one district in West Bengal or UP. On the 23rd, when election results are out in Maharashtra and Jharkhand, the whole country's attention will be there. The media will focus there and people will forget about us. So, if we think that our problems are going to be solved by people from outside, no, it has to be solved within. So that's why I appeal to leaders who are in the opposition and in the ruling government within Manipur. Where is your leadership skills gone? Where is your vision? Sit down. Violence will never solve any problems. Violence will only take your children's future behind. Our next generation is suffering. People whose houses have been burnt are suffering. And if you really want this pain to go away, let's aside politics and bring in statesmanship.